Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got a question from many of you asking me, how can I do Quora affiliate marketing? I personally like Quora because I'm using Quora to get targeted free traffic to my blogs, to my websites, to my bridge pages, to my landing pages. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a free tool that will help you to find the top 20 questions that are getting most traffic in any niche on Quora. And also, I'm going to show you how you can rank your answer as a top answer on any question and get the most traffic. And also, I'm going to give you some tips and advices on how to properly do Quora affiliate marketing. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer all of your questions. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, let me first show you potential of Quora. When you go on SimilarWeb, here you can see that Quora is getting more than 500 million visits every month. Here you can see that most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. Here you can see that most of their visitors are young people between 18 and 34 years old. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their traffic, 70% of their traffic is actually search engine traffic, and that is the best kind of traffic. So Quora has a good potential for affiliate marketing. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. And the good thing about Quora is you can actually promote multiple different products from multiple different niches. And for the purpose of this video, let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So next thing I need to do, I need to find products to promote. And for the purpose of this video, let's just say that I'm going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on fitness and health. And you need to research all of these products in order to find the best one for you to promote. And you can also very often find good products on second, third or fourth page that you can also promote. So let's just say that I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Here you can see I can make 23 euros, that is about $25 per sale. And also you can promote exactly the same product on ClickBank as well. Okay, so now you have a product that you wish to promote. But this is really important, so pay close attention. Quora doesn't like affiliate links. So if you go on Quora and add your direct affiliate link, your answer will be marked as a spam and it will be removed and you will get no traffic. So what you need to do, you actually need to make a bridge page. And because I know that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest, best place to do that is actually Google Sites. Google Sites is absolutely free and all you need is a Gmail account. And Gmail account is 100% free. And this is one of the bridge pages that I made for one of my previous videos. Now I will not show you how to make these pages because I already showed you many times how to make bridge pages in Google Sites. And of course you will make a better bridge page. And this is actually really important. Here you can see a huge call to action. Click here to get your custom keto diet plan. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to add a huge call to action to your bridge page. That is really important. So now when you have your product and when you have your bridge page, now you need to go on Quora and find the top questions in your niche. Now obviously, most easiest way to do that is to actually come here in search bar and type your main keyword. In this case, it is keto, okay? Keto, and then press enter to search. And then click here on questions, and here you can see questions related to keto. Here you can see what is the keto diet. Is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss, and so on and so on. But it doesn't necessarily mean that these questions here are the questions that are getting most traffic. So to find the questions on Quora in your niche that are getting most traffic, what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on your profile image and then click here on Ads Manager. And I will open that in new tab and you will actually need to create a Quora business account. It is really simple, just add your email and your password and that's it. This is my new Quora business account. And what you need to do here in upper right corner, click on New Campaign. And don't worry, we will not advertise on Quora. Here you need to add all of these fields, but it doesn't really matter what you will say. So I can simply say, for example, test, okay? Choose conversions. Here I can choose generic and budget, let's just say $20. Like I said, doesn't really matter. Click here on continue, and this is really important part, so pay close attention. What you need to do, you need to scroll here, click here on contextual targeting, and then click here on questions. and then click here on bulk ad. That is really important. And then here, simply type your main keyword. In this case, it is keto. And then click here on continue. And here you can see top 20 questions on Quora in keto niche that are related to keto. And here you can see, okay, this is really interesting. Is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? 500 to 700 visits every week. But when we go back here, we will see that this question is actually ranking as a number 2. And first question is actually getting between 300 and 450 visits every week, which means this question here is getting less traffic than this question here. That is why this tool is really good. And you can use this to find questions, top 20 questions in any niche on Quora, in weight loss, in dogs, in cars, in travel. Doesn't matter. You can use this tool totally free to find top 20 questions in your niche that are getting most traffic. In some niches, some of those questions are getting literally between 50 and 100,000 visits every week. So it has a huge potential. Okay, so now when you found the top 20 questions in your niche that are getting most traffic here on Quora, now you need to rank your answer as a top answer in order to start getting targeted free traffic. So let me just open this first question here in a new tab. And first and really important thing is you need to provide high quality and informative answer. That is really important. Now here you can see that this question is following 1,000 people. And to answer on this question, you can simply click here on answer. And here you need to provide a high quality answer and informative answer. And this is a tip for you. You should always add interesting and eye-catchy photos and images to your answers. And also, on the beginning of your answer, you should add most interesting, most eye-catchy photo, because in that way, you will catch more attention. And if you provide high quality and interesting answer, then other people as well will start giving you upvotes and you will rank as a top answer. But how do you rank your answer as a top answer quickly? This is what I do. I actually told my friends and family to go on Quora and to create account on Quora. So when I publish answer on one of these questions, I tell them to go on Quora and to give me upvotes. And if you get 10 to 15 upvotes in next 7 days, then your answer will be ranked as a top answer on Quora. And like I said, if you provide high quality and informative answer, then other people as well will give you upvotes. And your answer will stay as a top answer. And what you need to do after you answer one of these questions and rank your answer as a top answer, you simply need to go back on Quora and answer on all of these questions here and rank your answer as a top answer on all of these questions here. And if you do that, you can actually get potentially thousands and thousands of targeted free visits to your bridge page. And because this is the targeted traffic, some of those people will click on your affiliate link on your bridge page and on your big call to action, and some of those people will actually buy the product that you're promoting. And that is why Quora is really good for affiliate marketing. So to recap this method, you need two things. First, and really important, is you need a high quality and informative answer. You need to provide it for all the questions that you are answering. And thing number two, you need to go and tell your family and friends to go on Quora and to create accounts. And every time you publish your answer on some of these questions, you need to tell them to go on Quora and to give you upvotes. In that way, you will rank your answers as a top answer every time, and you will start getting targeted free traffic. So this is how you do Quora affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.